I found this junky looking lathe at the Facebook marketplace. The owner was asking for $100, but we ended up agreeing with $80. I thought it was a fair price, although I must admit, as I got home, I started feeling taken. For example, the drill chuck is busted and most likely will end up being discarded. Also, the Life Center employs Teflon technology. Really? As I start to assess the purchase, I can't help but to notice the lathe has seen way better days. And although I realize the ubiquitous 10x7 mini lathe has been part of a massive religious discussion, with some parties loving it and some others hating it, I have decided to give this little guy a chance and clean it up as best as I can. The cleaning involves lots of scraping rust as well as using evaporust to finish with the de-rusting procedure. To my surprise, what this lathe is suffering from is a need for a good cleaning. It seems the previous owner never bothered with cleaning the cosmoline out of the tool. I do believe the tool was subjected to some form of frustration relieving therapy, as some of the marks and bends are really hard to have been caused by accidentally crushing it. I must point out, however, the cleaning procedure has resulted in a fantastic transformation. It is really hard to believe how something looking so awful can turn up so well with a little bit of elbow grease. Pretty much every single screw was removed, cleaned up and oiled. It took 2 days, and although I consider these 2 days a waste of time, it is one of those good waste of times. Way better than watching TV for sure. The electronics will need to be replaced, as this was the damaged component. Everything else seems to be in great shape. I am missing a few gears, but I will not be needing those on the project I am contemplating. Well, I am very happy with the results. A transformation from horrendous to pure pleasure to watch. I hope you also like this transformation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.